Hello everyone, welcome in craftingwheel channel. Today I will show you how to make a crochet heart and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video, and if you have any question don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. To make that heart I will use Elise Baby's cream yarn and hook number 3mm and hook number 2.5mm as shown now. I will start round 1. I will leave a long tail, then make a slip knot as shown now. Then make 5 chains. And close them with slip stitch to make a ring. Then make 4 chains. And make triple crochet stitch inside that ring as shown now. I have a video on my channel to how to make a triple crochet stitch. You can show it. Then continue making triple crochet stitch, so I will make another 3 triple crochet stitch inside that ring to have 4 triple crochet stitch as shown now. Now I have 4 triple crochet stitch as shown now. Then I will make 4 double crochet stitch inside that ring. 2, that's first double crochet and that's second double crochet. And that is third double crochet stitch. And that is fourth double crochet stitch as shown now. Then I will make a chain and make triple crochet stitch inside that ring. And make a chain again. Then make 4 double crochet stitches into that ring as shown now. Now I finished a half of that heart and I will continue to another half of that heart, so I will continue making 4 double crochet stitch as shown now. Then make 4 triple crochet stitches, 2 inside that ring to finish that heart. I will finish it and I'll come back. Now I finished 4 triple crochet stitches as shown now inside the ring. Then I will make 3 chains and make single crochet stitch inside the ring as shown now. With the shape. Then I will change the hook to 2.5 millimeter as shown now. I get a hook with a measure 2.5 millimeter and I will use it. Then I will make slip stitch into next 3 stitches as shown now, into the middle of the stitch as shown now. I hope that obvious for you to see it. Inside the middle of the stitch I will make 3 slip stitches as shown now. That is third slip stitch inside the middle of stitch as shown now. With the shape I finished 3 slip stitches. Then I will continue making slip stitch into every stitch across the row, but I will make slip stitch into the full stitch, not into the middle. I will make slip stitch into the full of every stitch across that row to the end. I will make it and I'll come back. I arrived to the half of that heart. Then I will make a chain and continue making slip stitch into every stitch across that row as shown now. I will make it and I'll come back. Then I will make slip stitch into the middle of next 3 stitches as shown now. Now I finished that heart. Then I will leave a long tail and cut our yarn as shown now. Then I will tie the ends of the yarn as shown now and fasten off. Then I will pull the yarn with the hook through the heart as shown now. And cut the ends as shown now of the yarn. Cut the yarn. Now I finished that heart with that shape, and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video, and if you have any question don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.